Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most emotional and dramatic moments in the current season of Isencane Lengane, Thando being disowned by her mother. That's right. After years of tension and heartbreak, it looks like the mother-daughter relationship we once knew might be over. But how did we get here? Why did her mother finally say enough is enough? And most importantly, what does it mean for Thando and her future? Let's break it down. But wait, before I break it down, watch this.
Khumbula ukuthi ngawuphinda ungibone mina awuqonda ukuthini ngalokho wathi ngigcinile ukukubona
Wathona mama angiseyona ingane yakho.
manje le nto
Awusafune lutho into engihlanganisa na wathi awufune lutho into ehlanganisa nami. Wase uthi ekhanda ngiyahlanya ngoba vele nesibongo sami angisazi ukuthi esaku.
ngoba phela lokho sakukhuluma ke pho uze kubala uze kuneli noma uze kumina uthando ngoba ngena manje bengamlindele futhi bengisayitshesi nje angazi ukuthi ngiyombona nini ngoba ngendlela asiphoxa ngayo sifika nobhuti bami ngaphoxeka ngale ndlela ongangokuthi angikwazanga ngisho ukudla ngalelo langa
Akekho mina umuntu engamfuni ma. Phela ukuthi into mayibeka ngenye indlela mina ngokwazi kwami.
Thando's story on Isencane Lengane began with what seemed like a controversial fairy tale. Young love, early marriage, and teenage girl choosing to become a wife while still in school. From day one, there were concerns. Her mom, social workers, viewers all voiced doubt about whether she was ready and whether Siyacela was the right man for her. This was the first episode around 2018 when all this happened in April. That's when they got married in April 2018. I still remember very well. As the seasons progressed throughout the cracks began to show. Siyacela became emotionally distant, verbally disrespectful, and often dismissive of Thando's dreams, including her education. Despite everything, Thando stayed, but her mother kept watching and waiting. Fast forward to this season, and everything hits the fan at a birthday party for their son, Baby Lubanzi. No, it's actually the last episode of last season where they had a birthday Kalubanzi, who is Thando's child and her mom's grandson. What should have been a celebration turned into a showdown. Thando's mom confronted Siyacela about his public disrespect towards Thando, especially after he declared on national TV that Thando no longer satisfies him. No remorse, no apology. He stood his ground, and Thando broke down completely. Her mother, overwhelmed with anger and sadness, made it clear that she's done supporting this relationship. She's stepping back. And in a moment that shocked many viewers, she said she was disowning Thando. And from this clip, we can see that she's still standing her ground concerning disowning her. Let's talk about her mom's perspective. For years, she's watched her daughter try to make it work with a man who doesn't seem to value and respect her. She's warned her. She's cried. She's supported her when cameras weren't rolling. Now her child is being humiliated publicly. As a mother, it's not just anger, it's heartbreak. Her decision to disown Thando may come across as harsh, but it's born of helplessness. Parents want the best for their children. But what happens when your child continuously chooses pain and chooses her in-laws who disrespect her despite your guidance? At some point, even the strongest parent feels defeated. Thando's breakdown at Lubanzi's party, Lubanzi, as I mentioned earlier, is her son, wasn't just about that moment. It was years of pressure, emotional confusion, and loneliness exploding. She wants to be loyal to her husband. She wants to be loved, but she's stuck between a disrespectful husband and a disappointed mother. What do you do when two people you are supposed to be closest with pull you in opposite directions? It's clear Thando is emotionally drained from silent tears on screen, from silent tears to on-screen breakdowns. We're watching a young woman desperately trying to keep it together. Shame, man. So let me analyze what fans have been saying and debating about. Fans are divided. On one side, viewers are heartbroken for Thando. Some are saying she's too young to carry all this pain. Others, she's been trying so hard to keep the peace. On the other side, people support her mother's tough love. Sometimes you have to let go and protect your sanity. Others, Thando made her choice. Now she must live with it. Yes, the choice of choosing a husband and his family over her mother, despite the fact that she's always been disrespected in public. Yo, it's tough. This isn't just a TV moment. It's a reflection of real families, real relationships, and real cultural expectations. So, where does Thando go from here? Will she reconcile with her mother? Will she stay with Siyacela? Or finally walk away? It's tough to say. But what we do know is she's at crossroads. Her next decision could change everything for her peace, for her son, and her future. We hope she chooses healing. We hope she chooses herself, because everyone deserves love that doesn't come with pain. Guys, wow, it's tough for Thando. But anyway, I hope she makes the right decision, which is reconciling with her mom and building her marriage. I mean, at least both of them going for counseling if they still love each other, so that they grow old together. That's it for today's deep dive. Let me know in the comments. Was Thando's mom justified in disowning her? What advice would you give Thando? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss updates on your favorite Mzansi reality shows. Stay strong, stay kind, and as always, thank you for watching. Bye.